Okay, so you have something to report as a issue for one of the buildings. What do? Well, you're going to issue a facility issuing issue report through the reporting system. And I'll show you how to get there. There's two ways. There's through the churchofjesuschrist.org or through a phone app, which I'll show you in just a moment. So first, let's go through the website. And what you go to churchofjesuschrist.org, you log in as normal, and then when you click your name, there is a facilities issue reporting system. So you click that, and it'll come to this screen right here. And it will allow you to, your name will automatically pop in here, your details will automatically pop into here. But it allows you to then choose a facility, priority, describe what's wrong, and upload pictures. So let me explain that just a little bit here. There is the priorities is a routine maintenance, 7-day, or something that's urgent, or it's an emergency. Now let me describe that. Here's the way you can distinguish the two. Obviously, if it's a life or threatening, call 911. But the priority system in the first system is an emergency 1 day is something like flooding, something actively going on that's causing damage. A glass door that's broken and can't be locked, so that's going to be a security issue, something like that. An urgent 7 days is something that's going to interfere with Sunday services or seminary services or something like that. You know, like an HVAC problem, heating and air conditioning, or non-functioning audio system in the chapel, or a broken satellite system got knocked over in the wind or something. You know, there is a satellite number that you can call that's usually labeled next to the satellite just for like connection problems, but we're talking about like a physical problem, the satellite blew down or something. So things that would interfere with Sunday services you can mark as 7-day urgent. Everything else is a routine 30-day. That would be things like lawn care or broken furniture or a hole in the wall or something's wrong with the lights. And so that way you can check which one of these are. Now I noticed a little bug, and I'm not sure if it's a bug or not, but it's not working as I would expect it. But if I choose facility first, priority goes away. So the first thing I suggest is pick a priority. So I recommend that you select your priority level first, because watch what happens when I click facility. If I pick a facility, the priority level disappears. So I just don't understand how that's working. But if it set the priority level first, then your issue type, it'll give you a list here of, well, what type is it? Is it an air conditioner or interior or what? I'm going to choose interior because I actually have a problem I'm going to submit here with you. Subtype would be, and then it goes through, look through this list, and I am going to choose door. I'll scroll down here a little bit for you so you can see. I'm going to request a door fix, and the issue is hole in door, because here's the picture I'm going to submit. That's the picture there. The holes in the door. When it's opened, it bangs up against that little molding. So hole in the door is the title, and the description is, so this is what I wrote. Hole in the door caused by the door hitting the molding. Consider a door stop or something to prevent the hole from reoccurring. Location of the issue in the building, it's in the hallway. It's west, immediately west of the primary room. And I'm going to choose a photo to add. So you can add up to 3 photos, and you just click choose file. It pops up with a little box on your computer. You navigate to where the photo is. I press open, and the file will appear there. If I want somebody else to be notified besides the regular facilities individuals, I could put in the email address of the bishop or a counselor or somebody. If you wanted to, you don't have to. And then I click submit. Oh, it's reminding me that I need to fill in these, and then I'll click submit. You get a message about not being able to edit it, so are you sure? Yes. And there you see the item, and for some reason it chose urgent 7-day. Maybe I chose that one wrong. So I'll email our physical facilities rep for our area and ask him to change this. They'll change it automatically. They'll see that it's not an urgent matter. But if you wanted to look at different issues, you could click at the different issues and you could see an issue for all of the facilities over here. That's it. There's one more good thing here is if you click on help, there's some good help information. You can go through these and they just report, answer some common questions. That's all there is to the website facility issue reporting system. Now let me show you the phone app. So if you go to the Google Play Store or you go to the Apple Store, you'll find something like this. Just search for facility issue reporting and you'll come up with this app. Install this app. It's free for both Android and for Apple. This is an Android here, so this is what it looks like on my phone, and you'll notice that you have this orange icon called Fur. When you open it, it comes up to the list of different open items or different items. You can see them all. You could filter based on open or closed or whatever, and you could review these, but it shows you again, here's the title. That's a very nice description, detailed title. It shows you your priority. It shows you which building, the date, and whether it's been open or closed or not. It also has this plus symbol right here, which is for adding a new item. So you click that plus, and it brings you to a report issue, which is same information as we saw just a moment ago on the website, but this is through your phone. It'll automatically put your name and email address in there. For the facility, choose the facility by clicking this drop-down box here, and you can pick which building you're in. The issue title, give a good detailed description, several words, 4, 5, 6 words that describe the problem. The description can be much more lengthy, and when you're writing a description, be as descriptive as you possibly can. Describe what's wrong, why it's wrong, what you may have tried to do before. If you tried to fix it and something failed or something like that, just enter in as much detailed description as you can. Location of the building, same as before. You say primary room or a hallway next to the bishop's office. And you can add a photo. So if you click add photo, it will let you, because this is your phone, you can actually take a live picture. Or you can use one of your saved pictures on your phone. And then you click your submit issue here. This is what an issue looks like. And you see here's the podium microphone that's broken. Could have added the word broken here. And there's a description that's hidden just because this couldn't fit on my screen, but the location in the building, what issue type, that it's a routine 30-day, and some pictures to help show that this stand right here is broken. Now what's also nice is that if you're reviewing this for somebody else, you can just click this button and it will call whoever reported this. So like if you're a bishop's counselor and you go, I don't know who reported this, and you click this and it calls the Elders Quorum president, because the Elders Quorum president's name is right here and he happened to have reported it, and you could ask for more details. There's also this help button right here. If you click this help button, it takes you to this screen right here. It says contact us. Now this is contacting the physical facility maintenance workers and leaders. And so during business hours, you can click that for email or this for phone number. So you don't need to memorize the phone number. Just come into here and click the button. If there's a building emergency and like flooding of water, well, then you can click this button right here and it'll call the 24-hour hotline for that. You could get to that same help screen by clicking this button right here. So either way, there's 2 different help buttons, and that allows you to quickly talk to a person that has responsibilities of taking care of these things for us. So we're grateful to all those involved in keeping our buildings safe and spiritual, and we appreciate you. And if you have any questions, contact your leaders. Thank you.